Another tier 8 here, we're doing Underkeep. Story today is Torture Victims. And we're running this on Bountiful. So as usual, I'm playing as Guardian Druid. Still Druid of the Claw on this one. And we've got to start off with these 3 groups, so I'm going to pull 2 packs together. So blown cooldowns on that pack, and then this pack. I think you can take the web fryer separately. I think it patrols, but we'll just go all together here. Oh, that was a mistake. Don't love that pack empowered. Looks like we are going to have to be a wimp and take the web fry separately. What have we got? Still 2 slashes up. Yeah. We've got rage. Might be okay. Maybe it doesn't patrol. Get some Iron Fur rolling early on this pull this time. I've said before I don't use much Iron Fur. I tend to dump all of my rage into mauls, so that is definitely a me problem. But I mean, from memory, the rest of this delve is fairly straightforward after that first pack. There's a lot we can just stealth through as a druid. Oh, that's the ice block one. Okay. Absolutely no doubt there's going to be comments on this. Oh, why don't you moonfire? I moonfire because I forget to moonfire. I tend to use it on pull and then don't use it again. Which again it's just a skill issue. It's not a choice. Pelt a guard with pheromones. What does that do? Nothing, apparently. Absolutely love these little web puzzles. I think they're great. I think I'm so glad there's an achievement to do loads of them. Hindsight, I think that sounded a bit sarcastic. I'm not being sarcastic. I actually do enjoy doing them. Especially when they give you that pummelly lad who wipes packs. Cool, so we've got patrol moving away there. So let's burst some cooldowns for this pack. Secret treasure. That's not ominous at all. Don't remember seeing one of them before. I'm sure this is going to go well. Great. If it pulls that patrol, I'm going to be so incredibly salty. Not too bad. Oh, where's Bran put the fire? Over there. Might as well. So he's 44% through 30. How big can he get? I assumed he was capped at 30. Get him to 25. Raise a companion to 30. Oh, raise companion to 40. Okay, it gets a bit bigger then. I imagined there was some kind of cap, but maybe there isn't. This isn't a difficult delve, it's just quite a long one. A few of these are super annoying as well with the timers. Especially the one where there's 3 of them. I'm a bit keener to go and get Bran experience now. I know that he goes up so much further. Yeah, this is a right pain in the arse. Apparently I can't click through that weak aura. That's annoying. I mean, this is common knowledge at this point, but with the extra life you get from the respawn point, you can actually cheese getting to the last boss with revives. If you die as many times as you want, as long as you don't die on the last boss, you can come back and get that extra life and then go and kill the boss, and it will count as if you didn't have 5 deaths. So it's really good for your party wipes if you can save that and come back and get it. But I mean, it's not something that I do because I'm only doing tier 8s. I don't tend to have a lot of deaths. Oh. But it's a nice little hack if you're pushing in a 5-man group and you do wipe. Okay, so I'm fairly sure the last packs are this one. There's 4 there, so that takes us to 12, and 1 there, that takes us to 13. So we're nearly done. And then it's just a kill the boss job. Oh, it's another pack with one of these guys in it. No cooldowns either, slightly annoying. So I'll go Threadmancer first. Also just realised I've not been using my trinket. I still can't work out how the trinket works, if I'm completely honest. I've got that, the one where it like makes you do a dance or something to get the proc. Like this tortured... Oh, the tortured subject's part of the instance. Fuck knows how the trinket works then. It spawns like a little thing on the floor and you've got to like jump on it and do stuff. But I still haven't worked out how it actually... Oh, here we go. While in combat... Oh no, that's the loader situation. I don't know. Treacherous transmitter. Receive cryptic instructions. Well, they are cryptic because I've never seen anything that tells me what I'm supposed to do with it. Anyway, boss. This one, I just sort of try and keep him out of the arena here, so I can't stand anywhere that's going to get a poison thingy in. And because we get one in every instance, and it's usually the one that matters, we have an issue with Plater, where my nameplates aren't working, so I don't know when he's casting, so I don't know what to kick, which is really handy. It's also more than a little annoying not being able to see the damage taken. So I'm just looking for his emote for encasing webs and then kicking when that emote goes off. Which is not ideal, but it seems to be working so far. I'm just going to wait for rage, 1 more second. And then we're popping Khan and rage. So the positioning's not too bad here. We're never going to stand in a poison beam. We've got lots of space for Void to drop. You just want to make sure you're keeping the bosses back to his totem so you don't get caught. Much like everything with Guardian, it's just a case of slapping the boss until he dies. That's me brand 31, not too bad. Go and get some goodies. I'm really lacking on map drops around. You know, you get these maps, and in week 1 everyone was saying, "Oh, don't do your delves on your main. Get to tier 8 on an alt first. You'll get all your maps." I've had 1 map in weeks at this point. Oh, that's nice. Amorphous relic. That is actually the curio I use, which I didn't have at rank 4. I'm only missing 1 rank 4 now, which is one that I don't use. So that's a pretty nice upgrade. Crit Versi strap. I've got Haste Versi belt. I think we'll stick with the Haste Versi. So no upgrades from that one, but overall fairly smooth apart from the 1 death at the start.